Next-generation Crestron FlipTops are improving the conference room experience with elegance and ease, placing connectivity and power where you need it most. Every FT2 FlipTop is designed to fit in the existing hole in the table with a new, modern design. Finally, a cable management system reflects the beauty of the furniture it's in, while providing intuitive access to modern connectivity options. FT2 FlipTops are significantly faster and easier to install than traditional systems. Features like the free matrix modular system provide flexibility while speeding up installation. And unlike competitors, FT2 FlipTops are easier to reconfigure as clients' needs change. We will demonstrate how easy it is to install the FT2 using a system that provides AC power, USB charging, and 4 gravity retractors. Installation starts with sliding the FlipTop assembly into the cutout. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the 4 swivel dogs, securing the FlipTop assembly to the table. Feed the AC harness through the assembly, slotting the plug in the rails. Place the USB charger module into the rails. To minimize time spent under the table, Crestron created the Quick Snap system. It allows the installer to quickly attach retractors of all types and sizes in a fraction of the time. The power supply also uses the Quick Snap system, attaching directly to the assembly. Plug it into the FlipTop, connect it to the AC outlet, and connect to power. Install the optional shelf, which is a great place to store your transmitter. The rest of the install can take place from the top of the table. Feed the cables into the backlit retractor modules and slide them into the assembly. Note that as each is slid into place, it will light up, confirming that everything works. Blank plates and pass-through modules are included to fill in open slots. Install the locking bars to secure the modules. The captive screws allow easy alignment and installation. Finally, install the magnetic bezel by snapping it into place. It's simple to see how features like Quick Snap and under-the-table shelf save time on the install. With the FT2, Crestron designed a system to work with the demands of the modern meeting space, where all the components attach directly to the FlipTop. The entire installation is simpler and cleaner, and the end result is far more satisfying. The under-the-table innovation, combined with new technology from above the table, like USB charging and self-retracting cables, make the FT2 perfect for the modern workplace. Don't wait. Switch to the Crestron FT2 FlipTops for all your projects today.